Hi, this property is located in Tabalong, Dawis, Panglao, Bohol. And this property is the frontage. So here is the frontage of the property. And this is the side of the house. This is the main gate. And the other side also the entrance or the parking area. The total land of this property is 4,400 square meter. And floor area is around 140 square meter. And this is the parking, and this is the water tank in the side. And here is the main house, the main building. You can see the front yard is good with landscape, and this is the main door, but we pass through the other door. Here is the entrance and the living area, a kitchen, and this property is 5 bedrooms. The backside of the property has a swimming pool. That's the living area. And we sell it as furnished, except for the personal belongings. And this is converted to office and in the living area. And here is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a fan and toilet and bath, cabinets. Here is the toilet. Window in the shower, in the kitchen, in the CR in the master bedroom. It's the cabinet. The second room is a guest room with a double deck bed and split type aircon. So the main building has uh, 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. With 1 common toilet. This is the common toilet and bath. So in the back side, this is going to the swimming pool. With a balcony terrace in the back side. And there's a building, 1 bedroom with toilet and bath in the back, beside of the swimming pool. If you have one guest, if you have some want to private, you can use it or rent it out. This is the terrace on the back side, and you can see there's a space, landscape, and the swimming pool for kids and for adults. So back of this area it's also include the land with some farm mangoes and other fruits. And this is the swimming pool. The area here is a little bit good and peaceful, and the swimming pool is well maintained. That building in the other side is the storage room, and this is the side. So there's 2 water tank installed in the main building, and this source of water has municipal water, Richley water, and deep well. That's the powerhouse for the swimming pool. Now we go to the building, then the small building with 1 toilet. It's a queen size bed. With ceiling fan, aircon, cabinets, and TV. This is the toilet and shower area. So for more details on this property, you can contact me at 092989034442.